Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss most important questions for SLC exam 2023, that is Maths Target 70 plus. This is the video series. In this video series we will discuss most important and expected questions for SLC exam 2023, and at the end of this video, what are the questions we solve? Similar questions. I've prepared a test paper, so do download the test papers and do practice it. Directly we'll move to solving questions. First we'll solve it solving 1 mark question, then we'll go to 2 mark questions. Do watch the complete video and try to understand the concept. Similar questions will be asked, only the value can be changed but the concept will be same. Dear students, the first question: write the degree of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 5x plus 7. In this polynomial of in variable x, what is the variable here? The variable x is x. For variable x we have power 1, then 2, then 3. What is the highest power here? The highest power of the variable x is 3. Therefore the degree of the polynomial equals 3. What is degree? The highest power of the variable is the degree of the polynomial. Then express 196 as product of primes. Now you need to factorize 196, that is 196. 196, start from the number 2, then 2 9s are 18, then 1 will be carried over, then what we get is 2 8s are 16, then 2 4s are 8, then 2 9s are 18, then it cannot 49 cannot be divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6, then the next number is 7. Therefore 7 7s are 49, then 7 1s are 7. Now 196 can be written as what? 2 into 7 into 7. Therefore 196 equals 2 square into 7 square. This is how you express the given composite number as a product of primes. Next, find the distance between the points 2, 3 and 4, 1. Dear students, based on this concept, I prepared the practice test paper. You can download this PDF from my Telegram group. The link is given below. Do join the Telegram group and do subscribe the channel for all the notifications. Find the distance between the points 2, 3 and 4, 1. The distance between 2 points is given by the formula d equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Do repeat with me. The distance between 2 points is given by the formula d equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now take 2, 3 as x1, y1 and 4, 1 as x2, y2. Now d equals, what is the value of x2? x2 is 4, that is 4 minus x1 is 2, that is 4 minus 2 whole square plus what is y2? y2 is 1 minus y1 is 3 whole square. What we get is square root of 4 minus 2 is 2 square. Now 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square. Now what you get? 2 square is 4 plus minus 2 square is 4. Now 4 plus 4 is 8. Now 8 can be written as what? 4 into 2. Now d equals what? Square root of 4 is 2. Root 2 as it is units. Therefore d equals what? 2 root 2 units. The distance between the points 2, 3 and 4, 1 is 2 root 2 units. Next, find the value of p of x, that is x square plus 2x minus 5 at p of 1. We need to find out the value p of 1. That means replace x by 1. Now replace the value of x by 1. We get p of 1 equals, replace x by 1, what you get? 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 5. Now p of 1 equals, 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 is 2, minus 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. What you get is 3 minus 5. What is 3 minus 5? 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Subtract 5 minus 3. Then put bigger number sign minus. You get p of 1 is minus 2. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? That is, the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. The condition is a should not be equal to 0. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0. What is the degree of the quadratic equation? Again, for the variable x, the highest power is 2. Therefore, the degree of the quadratic equation is 2. Next question, 2 cos theta equals 1. Then find secant theta. Given 2 cos theta equals 1. This implies cos theta can be written as what? 1 by 2. Now, cos theta is 1 by 2. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Therefore, we can write secant theta equals 2 by 1. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta is 1 by 2. Secant theta is 2 by 1 or 2. What is the probability of sure event? The event which happens 100% for sure. It is called as sure event. That means the probability of sure event is 1. Simple question, right? What is the probability of impossible event? It is 0. Ninth question. The probability of winning a game is 0.58. What is the probability of losing the game? We know that probability of event and probability of complement of the same event is equal to 1. Probability of event and its complement, the sum of probability of an event and its complement equals 1. Therefore, probability of an event is what? Given probability of an event is 0.58. Plus we need to find out complement of it. That is p of e bar equals 1. Now p of e bar equals 1 minus 0.58. 1 minus 0.58 we get 0.42. Now probability of losing the same game is 0.42. State Pythagoras theorem or state Pythagoras theorem, state Thales theorem. All these are very important 1 mark question. Or proving, state and proving Pythagoras theorem or Thales theorem is an important 5 mark question too. In a right angle triangle, in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides is the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to what? Sum of squares of other two sides. Dear students, next 2 mark very important questions for the exam. Do practice all these questions we'll try to cover as many questions as possible. Dear students, last year, previous, that is 2020, 21, 22, 23, for previous year exams, I've covered many of the questions in my YouTube channel. Do try to check all the videos. Definitely those videos will help you. It's about covering maximum questions and maximum concept for the exam. Now prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. First step is you should assume 3 plus root 5 as an rational number. What is the first step? Let us assume given number as rational. Let us assume root 3 plus root 5 as rational number. What is the first step? First step, assume the given number, that is the number is to be proved as irrational number, as by contradiction assume it as rational number. What is the rational number? Is of the form p by q. Therefore 3 plus root 5 equals what? P by q. Because we have assumed 3 plus root 5 as rational number, 3 plus root 5 equals what? P by q, where pq belongs to z. That is, next, q is not equal to 0. pq are real numbers and q is not equal to 0. Now keep root 5 and shift 3, that is p by q minus 3. Keep root 5 and shift the rational number 3 to RHS. Now root 5 equals what? P minus, do butterfly method, what you get? P minus 3q by q. Dear students, we know that root 5 is irrational number, but it has come in the form of p by q, right? It is wrong. Therefore, this implies that root 5 is rational. This implies root 5 is rational number because p minus 3q by q is rational. We know that root 5 is irrational number, but we have got root 5 as rational number because p minus 3q by q is rational, but root 5 is what? Root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational number. Therefore, what our assumption, that is 3 plus root 5 is wrong. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, by contradiction, what we can say? 3 plus root 5 is rational number. Let me repeat the step. First, assume 3 plus root 5 as rational number. Write it in the form of p by q. Then keep root 5 and shift 3 to RHS. It becomes minus 3. Then take butterfly method or the LCM. What we get? Root 5 equals 3p minus 3q by q. Students, we know root 5 is irrational number, but what we have got here is rational number because of our incorrect assumption. Therefore, what we assumed is wrong. Therefore, by contradiction, 3 plus root 5 is an plus y equals 8. Dear students, this question can be solved by 3 methods. The method what I use here is elimination method. Elimination method where I eliminate any one of the variables, x or y. Given equations are x plus y equals 5. Take this as equation 1. Next equation is 2x plus y equals 8. Take this as second equation. When you can eliminate the variables when they have opposite sign, plus y minus y. That is, plus y minus y will cancel out. The same way, if we subtract equation 1 minus 2, you can eliminate the variable y. Therefore, equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1, what we get is 2x plus y equals 8. In the same way, x plus y equals what? 5. Now the sign will change in the subtrahend, that is minus plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, or minus becomes plus. Here all we have plus sign. Now plus y minus y, you cancel. 2x minus x is x, 8 minus 5 is 3. Now we got x value as 3. Substitute this value of x in any one of the equation, we get the y value. Put x equals 3 in equation 1. What we get? X plus y equals 5. 3 plus y equals 5. Y equals what? 5 minus 3. Y equals 2. We got x as 3 and y as 2. Elimination method, you eliminate any one of the variable to get the value of other variable. Then after finding the one of the value of the variable, you can substitute it in the equation to find out other value. Find the discriminant and nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. What is the given quadratic equation? 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. The first step is write down the coefficient a, b and c. What is the value of a? Coefficient of x square, it is 2. Then b value is coefficient of x minus 4. C value is 3. What is discriminant? Discriminant delta equals, or capital D equals, b square minus 4ac. Discriminant delta equals b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values. Delta equals, what is b square? That is minus 4 whole square minus 4 into what is the value of a? 2. C is what? 3. Delta equals minus 4 whole square is 16. Minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Delta equals 16 minus 24 is minus 8. Therefore, since delta is what? Delta is lesser than 0. The value minus 8 is lesser than 0. That means roots are not real. The roots are not real. Dear students, if delta is equal to 0, that means roots are real and equal. If delta is greater than 0, the roots are distinct. And if delta is lesser than 0, that roots are imaginary, or we can say that roots are not real. Next question. In the figure, D is parallel to BC, and they have given the value of C as 6 cm, AD as 4 cm, and AE as 3 cm. We need to find out the length of AB. The length of AB equals what? AD plus DB. We know AD value is 4 cm. Now the question is, we should find out DB. How to find out? Using Thales theorem. Apply Thales theorem. Using Thales theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That is, AD by DB equals AE by EC. What is the value of AD? AD is 4. DB we should find out. What is AE? AE is 3 cm. What is EC? EC is, or EC or CE is 6 cm. Now cross multiply. DB equals 4 into 6 by 3. Now DB equals what we get? 3 1s are 3 2s are 4 2s are 8 cm. Now we got DB as 8 cm. Now AB equals, AD is what? AD is 4. DB is 8. 4 plus 8 equals what? 12 cm. Now the length of AB is what? 12 cm. Dear students, this is important questions on the concept of Thales theorem. There is a practice question with this worksheet. A similar question I have put, only the value I have changed. Do solve it. And there is a bonus question I have given, very important remark, definite question. That is, prove the tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Practice, practice, practice. From the circles unit, there are two theorems are there. Both the theorems are very important. Do practice both the theorem. definitely you can score 3 marks, definite 3 marks from the unit circle. And also do subscribe the channel and also join the Telegram group to download this worksheet. Thank you again for watching the video. Do subscribe and do share with your friends.